So I haven't seen a video on YouTube about this, but to remove an FGX XR6, all models, the side seat shield. So my last one was cracked along here, wasn't very pretty. I'm sure a lot of you guys have got cracked ones, broken ones, and got no idea how to do it. But pretty much all you do is pull this straight off. We've got a little Phillips head screw in here. This here, pull straight off. A couple of clips on each side, it'll just pull straight out. And you've got a 8mm socket to go into here. It's a long self-tapping screw. Once that's removed, flip it down, and the little relay control unit for your seat, just unclip that, and yeah, pull the old seat shield off and put everything back together with your new one. Happy days.